To use an Apple Card, start by ensuring you have a compatible iPhone and the latest version of iOS. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a new card. Then select Apple Card and follow the prompts to sign in with your Apple ID. If you have not applied for an Apple Card yet, you can do so directly from the Wallet app. Once your Apple Card is set up, you can make purchases online, in-app, or in-store using your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or Mac. To make a purchase, open the Wallet app and select your Apple Card. You can then use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authenticate the transaction. For online purchases, select Apple Pay as the payment method at checkout. Then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. For in-app purchases, select Apple Pay at checkout and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. To make in-store purchases, hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless reader. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and wait for the transaction to be approved. You can also use your physical Apple Card at merchants that do not accept contactless payments. After making a purchase, you can track your transactions in the Wallet app. You can also receive notifications and view your balance and available credit in the Wallet app. To pay your Apple Card bill, go to the Wallet app, select your Apple Card, and tap the Pay Bill button. Best practices for using an Apple Card include regularly checking your transactions to ensure accuracy and reporting any suspicious activity to Apple support. You should also keep your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Mac up to date with the latest software to ensure the security of your Apple Card transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely make purchases with your Apple Card and take advantage of its rewards and benefits.